Okay, for you today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have Sriracha Lime Popcorn. Now, I took a half a cup of popcorn kernels and a quarter cup of peanut oil and put them in a great big pot and moved it back and forth across a medium flame. And after a couple of minutes, we have popcorn, but we're not done there yet because first we got to have our topping. Now, the topping recipe is 1 lime that's been zested and juiced, about a tablespoon of sriracha, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And you want to pour that over the top. Grab yourself a big piece of aluminum foil or tin foil or whatever the hell you call it. Place it over the top. Oh, and also don't forget to salt. Place it over the top and shake the shit out of it and serve it once. And that's it. Sriracha Lime Popcorn. Done.